basically talk about how you can get 1000 subscribers in less than a minute. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. If you're new to this channel, for you to monetize on YouTube, you need 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hour. And that is why I am here to tell you how you can get this 1000 subscribers in less than a minute. A lot of people have actually been on my DM, and even till now they feel like 1000 subscribers is a whole lot of struggle. But to be honest with you guys, 1000 subscribers is not a struggle at all. It's just that you don't know the exact thing that you need to do. Anyways, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. Now this video is basically going to be using myself as an example. So let's assume that Vibe with Sonia, she's new on YouTube, or she just pop into YouTube and then she don't have 1000 subscribers and she don't have 4000 whatever, she's not monetized, right? So what am I going to do if I want to achieve my 1000 subscribers? So with my experience of being on YouTube for 3 years, the first thing I will do for me to be able to achieve that 1000 subscribers, it is to research on niches that has valuable content. That's the first thing. But it doesn't just end there, because one thing I always encourage people is make sure you try every single thing possible for you to get monetized on YouTube. Then you can now go ahead and say, oh, I want to totally narrow down. But you cannot even be on YouTube without finding a reasonable niche. Like when I mean reasonable niche that can work for you, niche that can make people come see what you're doing and then decide to subscribe. That is one most important thing. And if you're bringing this content down to YouTube, you know that this content you're bringing are content that has value, and a lot of people are not only going to watch, but whenever they watch, they will subscribe and come back for more of your videos. Now let's move to the sharper way to get 1000 subscribers. So if I'm looking for 1000 subscribers, one of the sharper, easiest way that I'm going to be achieving this is for me to look out for a Telegram group, an Instagram group, or a WhatsApp group that people are literally growing their subscribers. I'm not going to be sugarcoating my words. On my own end, I got my 1000 subscribers using a Telegram group when I was looking for subscribers. So what you basically need to do is to find these Telegram groups or Instagram groups or WhatsApp channel groups, and then you're going to go ahead to do what? To do what they are saying in a Telegram group. Sometimes for security reasons on YouTube, we cannot just come here and tell you everything. But if you are among those ones that is looking for a Telegram group and you've not gotten any, I have a Telegram group, and you can click on my bio and it is free for you to join, where you can basically grow your subscribers. Trust me, if you have all of this group that the both of you are helping each other to get these subscribers, it won't even take you less than anything. You're going to be getting the subscribers. Now the second thing I am going to do as someone that is new on YouTube and wants to get subscribers is I will be uploading more of shorts, because I know that it is subscribers that I want to get. Like I always tell you, whenever you monetize on YouTube, just assume that you have 0 subscribers, because that is when you will start building your channel. So go ahead and start uploading more shorts, less of long form content and less of live stream content. You understand? Because you are looking for what? 1000 subscribers. So one thing about short that a lot of people don't know is short has everything they see to travel far. And if YouTube see that short is not good at all for your channel, YouTube wouldn't have even brought anything called short. Now if you have gotten this 1000 subscribers, if you're using short for example, or you're uploading short and then you are also on the Telegram, and then you have just your 1000 subscribers, you need to now stop everything you are doing regarding the 1000 subscribers thing and now focus on how you can get your 4000 watch hour. This is where you need to limit creating shorts and then focus more in your long form content and also on your live stream, so that you can accumulate your 4000 watch hour, monetize on YouTube, and then start fully as a content creator. I can be honest with you guys that it is very, very draining when you are doing things over and over on YouTube without getting monetized or without getting anywhere. And these have been one of the major challenges of YouTubers. And trust me, if you're using these two methods I bring down for you here, on how you can get 1,000 subscribers, it is not going to be difficult at all. One thing that I have found out that a lot of content creators will not listen to is adhering to rules and regulation. Please, when you get this your 1,000 subscribers, stop accumulating more subscribers for yourself. Now what you need to do is to keep uploading your long form content and make sure those long form content are valued pack. Nobody will come back and watch your content if your contents are not valued pack. They can even be there as dormant subscribers. Some of them will come and subscribe, but at the end of the day, they will be dormant in your subscribers list. You understand? So go ahead and do this. Now the next thing you need to do is to activate the comment section. When you see people dropping comments, it simply means they are also interested for them to be able to what? Subscribe to your channel. What you do basically is you click on their comment, you go to their channel, you watch their videos. After watching their video, you go ahead to do what? Subscribe, turn on notification bell, drop a comment relating to that kind of video that you're watching. Because if you don't drop a comment for the engagement to be strong on YouTube, at the end of the day, you're going to be giving them subscribers that they will not even see, because YouTube will definitely take them down. And I want to tell you that no matter the means you're getting your subscribers, YouTube will definitely take some subscribers down, or some persons will actually unsubscribe by themselves. But that should not be a concern for you. Your major concern is no matter how good or how bad it is, I am going to be getting my subscribers done and dusted. And if you don't know, I have a masterclass that is coming up for just 5,000 naira. And the good part of this masterclass is you're going to have the opportunity of meeting new content creators like yourself, and we are going to teach you how you can also learn to stream your playlist for your 4,000 watch hour. We are also going to make sure that we teach you basic things that can help you grow on YouTube. With just 5,000 naira, you can be able to access this class. And why I actually decided to do this is because most of the people that will chat me up on my mail or Instagram will tell me, oh, I wanted to do your one-on-one class, but I feel like the bill is too expensive. So I decided to bring a master class that is holding on the 7th of this month, or the 7th of June. So that is why it is good for you to book your slot now. We've been adding people to the WhatsApp group, and yours should not be different. Anyways, if you want to join this masterclass with just 5,000 naira, as cheap as that, less than $5, all you need to do is to do what? Send me a mail at faithonja3195@gmail.com. This same mail you're seeing on the screen, or if you're not seeing it on the screen, you check my bio, you're going to see the mail there, or you check the description box, you are going to see the mail there. All you need to tell me is, Sonia, I want to join the 5,000 naira masterclass. Because if you just go ahead and write me and say you want to join the coaching class, I will assume that you're coming for one-on-one. So tell me you want to join the 5,000 naira masterclass, and we are going to get things kicked off from there. Okay, but if you still want one-on-one coaching, where I'll personally go into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, yes, we are still available. All you also need to do is to send me a mail, and we are going to get you started. You understand? Anyways, if you have not subscribed and this is the first time you're coming across my video, my name is Sonia, and I try my possible best to make YouTube as easy as possible for you. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I do like I say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.